When you think of motherboard manufacturers, your mind usually goes first to ASUS. Stunning designs, feature-rich, and available at every single price point. Then why is the brand new TUF B760 so underwhelming? Because the brand new TUF Gaming B760 plus Wi-Fi, which will cost you $210, sure, might be a good motherboard if you need anything that's just cheap enough, but it has so many features missing that I don't know how ASUS can justify even that price. Starting off with CPU power, here we have a pretty standard configuration of 12+1 power phases, which again, while nothing incredible, is pretty much what most budget B760 boards go for. What is less understandable is the fact that you only get an 8-pin and a 4-pin for CPU power. Again, that's something that most people won't even notice, but you can get the Tomahawk, which we recently just covered, for the exact same price, and that has 2 full 8-pins. But don't worry, this isn't the only area where this TUF board doesn't compare favorably to the Tomahawk, or most motherboards. In the area of PC expansion, we're off to a pretty good start because it does have a PC Gen 5 primary slot, which is actually pretty awesome. You don't see that too often at this kind of price point. Even if it's just gonna sit there and taunt you with its PC Gen 5 capability, because sadly PC Gen 5 cards don't even exist yet. Below that, you have an additional physical 16x slot, which is actually 4x, and 2 additional 1x slots as well. But the big issue is that they're all Gen 3. This is a 2023 board that still has a majority of its slots run at Gen 3. ASUS? Why? Like, I know that the B760 is a limited chipset, but if other motherboards can do it, even at the same price, why can't you? But hey, at least all 3 M.2 slots are all running PC Gen 4, so I guess that's something. Oh, and did I mention that this motherboard only has 4 SATA connectors, which is becoming rather common in these budget B760 boards, but still disappointing nonetheless. I thought we established that 6 is the standard. Right, PC industry? Anyway, now let's move on to the rear I.O. And the rear I.O. is only impressive because Gigabit's rear I.O. this generation is so poor. Though we're not off to a fantastic start, seeing how we have 5 USB Type-A ports in total. Granted, only one of them is USB Gen 2, but 5? Only 5? Again, the identically priced Tomahawk has 8, while the slightly more expensive Elite has 9. So what on earth made ASUS think that 5 is sensible? Though at least it has a 20 gigabit USB Type-C port as well. And thankfully this motherboard does have Wi-Fi 6E as standard, unlike the current gen Gigabyte boards, which is something I guess. And unlike the other Gigabyte boards this generation, this one at least has the full array of 5 audio jacks and optical splitter as well, which is nice to see because I thought for a second that is going extinct. Add to that also 2.5 gig Ethernet and integrated HDMI and DisplayPort, and you have a set of rear I.O. that is just fine. It's okay, it's mediocre, middle of the road, whatever you want to call it, it's just fine. Oh, and you want to know the best part? There isn't even a DDR5 variant of this motherboard. ASUS, at least right now, are only offering a DDR4 version, which yes, I understand that most people won't be pairing a budget motherboard with expensive DDR5 memory, but still, why is that not an option for the people crazy enough to do it? Probably the largest saving grace for this motherboard, and for my hopes that ASUS are gonna finally sponsor my channel even after everything I said in this video, are the looks. The ASUS TUF boards still have a rather unique industrial militaristic look going on, which sure isn't for everyone, but it will definitely make your PC stand out if you choose parts that suit it nicely. And for those people who also don't have high standards for motherboards, this will be just fine. Actually, for most people, it's going to be just fine. But what really rubs salt in the wounds is the fact that you can get the Tomahawk, a much better board, for the exact same price. But if this TUF B760 board really just appeals to you for some reason, then make sure to use Amazon links down below to buy it. And while you're still here, maybe check out our Patreon, because even a single dollar a month truly goes a long way in supporting the tech trailers that we do here. I'd also like to thank my excellent patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, Okie Beach, The Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balaj Valka, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, Jesse Herpman, and Shalon Otkin. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.